Welcome you all on the behalf of Rahul Anand tutorial. So, as you know that I am Rahul Anand and this is somewhat around my channel. Whose name is actually the Rahul Anand tutorial. So, today I am going to deliver a very interesting topic regarding your examination in terms of the Aiims, often the Neet as well as the All India Pre-Medical examination, often the board examination. So, let's talk about these in the details, means what are actually the animal kingdom. Often we are having the two features such as the Colenterata as well as the Ctenophora. So today we will be delivering as well as understanding about these. So let's understand what are actually the animal as well as the kingdom. So primarily when we are talking about the animals. So what facts actually we are having? So we are having the two facts in the anima as well as the of course. So anima here is standing for what? It is standing here for the soil as well as air. So air for what? Air for breathe. Then soil for what? Doing the locomotion. You understand the locomotion I have delivered in my lecture. In the second we are having what? In the second we are having the kingdom. So the kingdom are actually what? The kingdom are the largest taxonomy in terms of our biological classification. Kingdom. Now, so kingdom are often further being divided into two parts. So what are actually the two parts? So these are the flora as well as the fauna. So flora here is standing for what? So it is being standing here for the plant kingdom. With reference to the fauna, it is standing here for what? It is standing here for the animal kingdom. So let's talk about these in the detail with reference to the Colenterata as well as the Ctenophora. With reference, you have understood about the trick, how to remember these. So we are having the nice break concept. So N here is standing for what? It will be standing here for the name. Then A, name. So E actually. So E here is standing for what? It will be standing here for the environment case. Then what? Then the C means the common name. Then D. So D here is standing for what? It will be standing here for the digestion mode of it. Then the R. R here is standing for what? In terms of the reproduction or as the reproduction mode. Then what? Then the E. E here is standing for what? So it will be standing here for the example. Then triple S. So here one S is standing for the special feature, then one S is standing here for the supporting feature, then another S will be standing here for what? It will be standing here for the structure. So Colenterata here, Colenterata of course. So when we are talking about this in terms of the environment, so where do these actually will survive or rather live? So it will be living in the marine environment, aqueous and marine environment. Often these are habituated with reference to the free swimming. Of course. With reference, we are talking about these in terms of, we are often having one more fact. So what are actually these? So these are the radically symmetrical. So radically symmetrical means what? It means that the body could be divided into two equal halves with reference to the radius radius. Of course. So these are actually the radically symmetrical. Often these are what? So often these are the diploblastic. So what do you mean by that? When the diploblastic means the diplo means the two, as well as the blastic means what? It means the layer actually. So what will be actually the two layers? So it will be the ectoderm as well as the endoderm. With reference to when we are talking about the three layers, so it will be coming under what? So it will be coming under the diploblastic case. Means what? The ectocardium, the ectoderm. Then what? Then the mesoderm, then the endoderm. But here when we are talking about these, we are having what feature? In all these both, in the Ctenophora as well as the Colenterata, we are having the diploblastic case. So you have understood about the fact what are actually the diploblastic. So environment, of course. When we are talking about these, in the common name with reference to the Colenterata, we are having what? We are having the Cnidaria case. You could popularly find here on the board. So yes, Cnidaria. Then after that we are having the level of organization. So what are actually the level of organization? With reference to these, in the Colenterata as well as the Ctenophora. Primarily in the Colenterata, we will be having what? So these are having the tissue level of organization. Of course. Then what? Then the digestion mode. So digestion mode will be what? So it will be intracellular as well as the extracellular. Of course. Then what? Then what we could find here in the board. Then we are actually having the example case as well as the structure. So we are having the three types of structure regarding these. Means what? Means in the Colenterata. Colenterata. So these are the here. So these are the physalia as well as the asteria. Physalia, then the orelia, then the adamsia. Physalia, then the Aurelia, then the Adamsia. So Physalia, Aurelia, then the Adamsia, of course. After that, we are having the more things to go in it. Means what? In the supporting features. So what are actually the supporting features regarding these in the Colenterata? So what will be it? So it will be supported by the help of the skeletal system. Skeletal system, which is composed of what? So it is being composed of the calcium carbonate. Now, when we are talking about the structure in the Colenterata, we are having the two facts with reference to these in terms of the body design. So we are having the primary things such as the medusa as well as the polypi. So you could find here on the board the case of the medusa here actually. So medusa will be found where? So it will be found in the Aurelia. With reference to here in the polypi, we will be having what? In the case of the polypi, we will be having the Adamsia. So this is somewhat the structure related with what? Related with the Colenterata. Now let's talk about it. Let's proceed in the second case. So in the second, what we are actually having? So we are having the Ctenophora. Of course, here Ctenophora. So when we are talking about the Ctenophora, so we have understood about the fact which is the nice dress. Then what? Then the E. E means what? It will be living where? In the what environment? So it will be living in the marine environment. Then here means what are actually the level of organization in terms of the in the Ctenophora. So its living condition will be what? So its actually living condition will be in the marine environment. Often this will be having the level of organization in terms of the tissue level of organization. So these are often having the common names. So what are actually these? So these are what? So these are the sea walnuts. Often what? Often the comb jelly. So you could often find here on the board here. Sea walnuts, then the comb jelly. So mode of digestion in terms of these will be what? So it will be actually the extracellular, then the intracellular. There we are having the example. So example will be what? So it will be the Phylum. So you could popularly find here on the board. Phylum. Now, when we are talking about these, the supporting features, or rather the special features regarding these in terms of the Ctenophora, we are having what? So these are the bioluminescent sense. So bioluminescent actually. So bioluminescent means what? So these are actually the special properties regarding what? Playing an important role to transport the bulky amount of light. So it will play an important role to emit the light. So we are having the three facts such as the alpha, beta, gamma rays with reference to the chemical coding. So these are in terms of the special organisms such as the Colenterata, Ctenophora. So in this it will be present, playing an important role to deviate in order for playing important role to give them the electrical stimuli. Often what? Often the photolytic stimuli. So photolytic stimuli actually means what? It means the electrical message playing an important role in order to resist from the predator or attract the prey. After that, what will be happening? The important role in terms of catch the prey, often resist from the predator. So these are coming under from what case? So these are coming from under from the bioluminescent case in terms of the Ctenophora. After then what? After that we are having these the sexes in terms of the Ctenophora. So what are the sexes? So it will be what? So it will be the hermaphrodite. So what else is the hermaphrodite? Means what? Means the sexes will actually not separate. So separate, it will not be separated. Means the male gonad as well as the female gonad will be present in the same individual body. With reference, we are often having the structure. So you could probably find here on the board. So these are what? These are the example of the Phylum. Often we are having more things such as here. When the body is actually what? So it is actually the bilate radically symmetrical. So radically symmetrical means what? It could be divided into two equal halves. Often these are what? So often these are the diploblastic here. So diploblastic organism means what? So you have understood about the fact. Means it will be divided into two halves of it. The upper one or either the outer one will be coming under what? So it will be coming under the ectoderm. Then the last one or under the final one, it will be coming under what? So it will be coming under the endoderm. Then if we are having the triploblastic, it will be coming under what? So there is a three layer will be present in terms of we are having the ectoderm as well as the endoderm. Then the middle portion will be occupied by what? In terms of the triploblastic, it could be the mesoderm. So you have understood about these in the Ctenophora as well as the Colenterata. So this is somewhat the case related with it. So I thought you have got the concept related with this. So if you like the work with reference to the education, often the lectures, so you could often subscribe, like, as well as comment below in the text. Thus I will be knowing that what concept actually you are hungry for, or what haven't you understood or either got. So very thank you with reference to what? With reference to the Rahul Anand tutorial. Very thank you.